Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Active Fan Diffusion. It is plant-based shield, and inside the package there's a user manual, a USB-C cord where you charge it right here. This is for the fan itself, and it also comes with 2 replacement essential oil cartridges. Now I'm going to show you how to add the oil cartridges into the fan and all the features that it has. So this is Mosquito Repellent. So you take one of the essential oil cartridges out, and all you have to do is just place it in here and it clicks. And there's a button right here. And if you look in the user manual, it shows you all the options. So the first press, like that, it says that there's no fan and the light is off. If I press it one more time, the fan's off and you can see the light, the white light on the bottom. The third press is the fan is on and the light is on, so you could hear it. There you go. And then the fourth press is just, it turns it off. Everything is completely off. And then if you hold it for 3 seconds, like that, there's gonna be an 8-hour timer on for the fan. Turn it off. There you go. I would recommend this to anyone that likes going camping, or just even if you're having a family gathering outside with a lot of mosquitoes.